Hello, Dr. Barry Carlin from Best Performance Systems. Best Performance has a 100% success for 12 years, reducing injuries an average of 50 to 90%, and you will easily and predictably get those exact same results. Now, Best Performance is not a training program, it's a system that changes your culture. What you're about to see is one of the training videos. There is a separate training video for every task, for every department in the entire hotel. The one you're about to see is on cleaning a tub. It's for housekeepers. Now, each training video has 3 parts. The first part is the Best Performance Code of Safe Conduct. These are habits we want everyone to use every time they do anything in life. The second part of the video is the actual training, which is designed to influence people to change to a safer and more efficient way of working. And the third part is just a few moments. That's a subliminal message as they go to work, that as they approach every task, they should always use the safest and most efficient method where they feel the best. Enjoy the video. Most housekeepers, when cleaning a bathroom, work the way this woman is working. You'll notice her feet are planted and she never moves them. When she cleans the back wall, she's leaning in, bending her back. When she cleans the side wall, she's both bending her back, reaching, and twisting with her spine. This creates tremendous back stress. When she cleans the tub, her legs are straight, she's bending down, and to clean the entire tub, she's also twisting back and forth. Every part of the tub and shower which is cleaning involve reaching, bending, and twisting. Bending forward while working creates stress in the low back, in the discs, the nerves, the muscles, even the joints, and that causes pain in the low back, which will then travel to the upper back and even all the way to the neck. Not only will this cause pain and fatigue, which makes work difficult, but it's going to make you prone to injury, not just while you're doing this task, but when you're doing any other task. Even during an innocent activity, you may suddenly get injured and not understand why. It was because the weakness that you caused in your own back and spine from the bending that you were doing. The same housekeeper is going to now demonstrate how to do that job more effectively, but most importantly, with minimal stress on their body. Most housekeepers are hesitant to step into the tub because they're concerned they might slip or they might do damage to the enamel of the tub. You'll notice when she picks up the mat, she bends her knees, not her back, drops the mat into the tub, and now she's standing close to her work, virtually eliminating the need to bend, reach, or twist. When she works down low, she kneels, using her hands to help her to get up. When she moves more to the right to clean, she stands close to the right, so she's always close to her work. Again, eliminating bending, reaching, and twisting. When she cleans the wall to the right, she turns and faces it, so she doesn't have to twist in any way. And again, after she kneels, she uses her hands to get up. She then gets out of the tub, pulls out the mat, and puts it on the floor to have a soft surface to kneel on with her knee. She can now clean the tub very easily because she's down close to it. When she cleans the other end of the tub, she moves the mat and kneels on that. The techniques you've just seen, she virtually eliminated reaching, leaning, twisting, and bending. She's now going to finish this job. She'll have less pain. She'll have more endurance. Work will be easier for her because she'll be stronger throughout her shift. She'll eliminate fatigue and discomfort and have much less chance of getting injured. There are a number of jobs that a housekeeper must perform that will be assisted by getting down on one knee, as you saw during the cleaning of the tub. What we have done with many housekeepers is provide a knee pad. The knee pad can be worn under the uniform or just stuck on top of the uniform as you see here when they're working. It's thick enough that they feel no discomfort when they get on a hard floor. They're able to get down. When they have to move around, there's nothing to move with them. There's nothing to forget. They have a constant knee pad there so they can get down on one knee. This will make the jobs easier of cleaning a tub, cleaning a toilet, cleaning baseboards, any of the many jobs that a housekeeper must do that involve working on something down on floor level. When you are working today, as you approach every single task, think about how can I do this task so it'll be the easiest for me, I'll be the most productive, and I'll feel the best. So now you've seen one of the best performance training videos on a specific task. In this case, cleaning the bathtub for housekeeping. There is a task-specific training video for every single task in every single department. The next step in the best performance system is supervisors now will give out kudos cards whenever they catch a worker using one of the good techniques that are safe and efficient they've learned in these tapes. It's an entire system that is designed to change the culture, to change the behavior of the department so people feel better, they function better, they get more work done, and there's less injuries.